Think about the exact second your money stops feeling slow and finally begins moving on its own, a quiet turning point most people never notice. It shifts your future, bends time in your favor, and transforms simple savings into something alive. And trust me, you're much closer to that moment than you think. So today we will see the 3 main explosion points, and the third one will make you really understand how close you are. Explosion point 1, the moment your contributions stop doing the heavy lifting. There is a moment in your financial journey where something tiny, almost invisible, begins to bend the curve of your life. It does not look like a celebration. It does not feel like winning the lottery. In fact, you will miss it if you are not paying attention, because it looks like a number on a screen that feels too small to matter. Yet this is the moment where your money stops being a passive passenger and begins acting like a worker, quietly pushing forward even when you do nothing. This first explosion point is the moment your contributions stop doing the heavy lifting and your returns begin to match, and then eventually exceed what you put in yourself. And while it sounds simple, reaching this stage is one of the most misunderstood, underestimated, and emotionally challenging transformations in personal finance. So let me walk you through it with a story, an example, and the exact steps you can follow to get there. Imagine someone who invests $500 a month. In the beginning, the numbers grow slowly. After a year, maybe they see a return of $300. After the second year, maybe $500. These amounts feel insignificant. They do not feel like progress. They feel like rounding errors compared to the sacrifices required to save that money. And this is where most people fail, because they compare their market gains to their paycheck, instead of comparing them to the only thing that matters at this stage, which is their contributions. The emotional trap is thinking that $300 means nothing. The practical truth is that $300 is the first whisper from a machine that has not yet been built. A machine that will one day work harder than any job you have ever had. Now let us make this practical, because the first explosion point is not magic. It is math plus consistency plus patience. To reach it, your goal is straightforward. You must build your base to the point where a normal year of market returns equals what you put in. If you add $6,000 a year, your mission is to build an account that reliably produces $6,000 in growth. At an average return of 10%, that means you want your portfolio to reach roughly $60,000. That is the milestone. When you hit that number, the market is finally doing the same amount of work as you, and your contributions are no longer the main engine of growth. Reaching $60,000 sounds hard, but here is where the mystery becomes practical. At $500 a month with normal returns, it usually takes around 7 to 8 years to hit that level, which means the first explosion point does not happen overnight. It does not happen in year 1. It happens during the chapter where most people quit. They stop investing because the results look small. They stop contributing because emergencies appear. They pause the plan, believing it is not working, but it is working. It is working exactly the way compounding always works, silently, slowly, invisibly. And then one day, without warning, the math flips. The numbers begin to rise faster. You check the account and realize the market produced more money this year than you deposited. That is the explosion. That is the shift. That is the moment your money finally stands up and begins walking on its own legs. So how do you reach it without quitting early? You follow 3 practical steps. First, automate your contributions. Never rely on motivation, never rely on memory. You want your deposits happening on the 1st of every month before you even see the money, because automation protects you from inconsistency. Second, pick simple, diversified investments. Index funds and broad ETFs are perfect because they remove the temptation to tinker, chase trends, or attempt timing. The money grows quietly when you stay out of the way. Third, you track one number only, your gap between contributions and returns. Not the daily balance, not the monthly change, not the noisy headlines, just that single measurement. When the returns finally catch the contributions, you have reached the first explosion point. Explosion point 2, the moment growth outpaces your paycheck. The second explosion point is far more dramatic, yet even more invisible than the first. It is the moment where the growth of your money begins to quietly outpace the income you earn from your job. And this moment, when it finally arrives, transforms your understanding of wealth forever. Because when your money begins earning more per year than your salary, you are no longer living in a world where time and effort control your future. You enter a new reality, one where your assets produce more income than your hours, and the rules that governed your life up to this point begin to fall apart. This stage is both empowering and unsettling because it forces you to recalibrate what wealth actually is, how it behaves, and why most people never reach this moment, even though the mechanics are simple and available to everyone. So let us break it down with clarity, examples, and the exact steps to hit this explosion point long before you ever imagined it was possible. Imagine someone earning $50,000 a year. That income requires showing up, working, dealing with people, stress, deadlines, and the daily grind that wears most individuals down over time. Now picture a portfolio that grows at a long-term average of around 10% a year. If that portfolio reaches $500,000, a normal year of returns produces about $50,000, the same amount as the salary. No boss required, no commute, no meetings, no anxiety. The exact same dollar output with none of the associated friction. And what makes this so shocking is that it does not feel dramatic when it happens. There is no alarm, no announcement, no indicator flashing across your screen saying you have crossed the threshold. It arrives quietly. One day you log into your account and see the annual gain, and you realize it is larger than what you earned by waking up every morning and going to work. That is the moment you understand the true meaning of leverage. But let us make this practical. To reach the second explosion point, you must build a portfolio large enough that its normal annual return equals your annual salary. For some people, that number is 300,000. For others, 600,000. It depends entirely on what you earn and what return expectations you choose. But the concept does not change. You are trying to replace your work output with asset output, and this is the most powerful financial transformation you will ever experience. Because once this explosion happens, your salary becomes optional. It no longer defines your lifestyle. It no longer sets the limits of your ambitions. It becomes supplemental, not essential. And this is where your relationship with money begins to evolve in ways that are hard to describe until you experience it yourself. To reach this milestone sooner, you must approach your finances differently. You no longer save just to save. You save to reach a specific number, the number where your assets can produce your salary. This makes your financial plan simple. If you want 50,000 in annual growth, you aim for a portfolio somewhere between 500,000 and 1.2 million, depending on your comfort with volatility and withdrawal rates. If you want 70,000, you adjust the target accordingly. This becomes your North Star, the point where your capital replaces your labor. Here is where most people sabotage themselves. They try to guess the market. They panic when the balance drops. They celebrate too much when it rises. They judge progress in short windows instead of long cycles. But the practical truth is that the journey to the second explosion point requires one thing above all else: emotional discipline. You must stay consistent when the market is boring, optimistic when the market is falling, and detached when the market is euphoric. Wealth grows in silence, but people destroy it with noise. If you want the second explosion, you must learn to ignore the noise. Let us illustrate it with a simple example. A person invests $1,000 a month for 20 years. With normal market conditions, they can surpass $500,000 without needing extreme returns, without needing to pick winning stocks, and without needing perfect timing. 20 years may feel long, but the reward is enormous. Because the moment their portfolio generates $50,000 in a year, they have effectively duplicated themselves. They now have two workers, one physical and one financial. And the financial one never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and never requires motivation. It works relentlessly, day and night, through weekends, holidays, and vacations. Explosion point 3. The moment compounding becomes unstoppable. The third explosion point is the one people dream about without understanding what it actually feels like, because it is not loud and it is not dramatic. Even though the numbers become so large, they barely look real anymore. It is the moment your portfolio grows with such force and independence that your contributions no longer matter, your income no longer matters, and even the market's short-term movements barely matter. Your money now behaves like a living organism, expanding on its own, accelerating because of its own mass, multiplying because the base has become too large to slow down. And reaching this moment is not just a financial milestone. It is a psychological shift so deep that it changes how you make decisions, how you view risk, how you think about time, and how you interpret the very meaning of wealth. Let me show you exactly what this moment looks like, why it feels surreal when it arrives, and what practical steps bring you to this unstoppable stage. Imagine a portfolio of $1 million. At a normal return of 10%, that portfolio grows by $100,000 in a typical year. That is more than most people earn from their job. That is more than many people save in a decade. And what is even more powerful is what happens next. Because the next year, the growth is not 100,000 on 1 million. It might be 110,000 on 1.1 million, then 121,000 on 1.21 million, and the cycle continues, expanding year after year, even if the returns stay completely average. This is the purest form of compounding, not the slow, early version you experienced in the first explosion, not the income replacement version from the second explosion, but the fully matured version, the version that no longer responds to effort but to scale. The engine has reached full speed. But the true mystery of this stage is how quietly it arrives. One day you are checking your account and the yearly gain looks like a second salary. A few years later, that same yearly gain looks like a dream. The money begins to compound so aggressively that even bad years barely slow the long-term trend. And this is where most people misunderstand compounding. They think that the biggest jumps happen in great market years. But the truth is that the biggest jumps happen because of the size of the base, not the return percentage. A 10% gain on 50,000 is 5,000. A 10% gain on 1,000,000 is 100,000. The same rate, the same math, but completely different outcomes. The third explosion point is reached when your wealth becomes governed by scale, not speed. Now let us make this practical, because the unstoppable phase is not something you wait for. It is something you build strategically. To reach this stage, you must follow a different mindset. You are no longer trying to save money, you are trying to build mass. Your goal is to accumulate enough principal so that returns can overwhelm contributions. Every dollar you add accelerates the machine. Every year you stay invested adds depth. Every reinvested dividend increases the base. And once you cross the threshold where your portfolio is large enough, the machine stops caring about how much you feed it. It begins growing off its own energy. And this is what most people never realize. Wealth does not grow linearly, it grows geometrically. And geometry cannot be rushed, but it can be prepared for. So what are the steps to reach this unstoppable compounding stage? First, you must protect your capital. The third explosion cannot happen if you constantly reset the machine by withdrawing early, panicking during downturns, or chasing risky bets. Stability is your most valuable asset. Second, let your time horizon stretch. 10 years builds a foundation. 20 years builds momentum. 30 years changes your life. Third, reinvest everything. Dividends, growth, interest, distributions, all of it. Reinvestment is the oxygen of compounding. Fourth, eliminate interruptions. Interruptions are the enemy. Every withdrawal, every pause, every attempt to outthink the market slows the machine. And fifth, operate with a long-term identity. You are not a trader. You are not a gambler. You are a builder. You are constructing a financial structure that becomes stronger the longer it stays intact. The beauty of the third explosion point is that it is not emotional. It is mathematical. It does not care who you are. It does not care how hard your life has been. It does not care when you started. It rewards scale, persistence, and discipline. And once you experience this stage, you understand why wealth seems to accelerate for those who already have it. It is not privilege. It is physics. Money grows faster the more of it you have. And unstoppable compounding is the final confirmation that you have built something capable of outliving your labor, outgrowing your income, and outpacing anything you could have created with effort alone. This is the moment your money becomes a force no longer dependent on your effort. I will not stretch this ending, because the next move is yours. Begin today, protect your momentum, and let time amplify every decision you make. Start now, and build the future that compounds beyond imagination. If you want a more practical guide, click on the video that will appear on your screen in the next few seconds. Subscribe and see you soon. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.